How to create custom module in Zoho CRM. Hi there, today we'll learn how to create a module for your compliance courses for your own business that you can require your employees in order for you to have a better workplace or workspace to improve your business here using Zoho. So first, to begin with, what you can do is go to your zoho.com and then go to CRM as one of the applications that you can try. Here, what you can do is just click on the gear icon or settings that's on the upper right corner, and under customizations, click on modules and fields. Here, under modules and fields, you will be able to see the different modules that you can use or that's already existing on your account. For you to create a new one, just click on new module on the upper right corner, and this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like once you create one. So here on the left side panel are your navigation tools. Here, so these are different tools that you can incorporate into the module that you will create. And here, for us to get started, what you can do is click on create, and you can rename the module name on the upper left corner of the screen, where you just need to type in what the title of that module is. And here are the few informations about the module. So you can add the name, the email, to the person who created it, and then it also shows when it was last modified. So you can actually just drag and drop the tools that are located on the left side panel, and then you can just drag it and drop it on this quiz information below. So once done, you can just click on save and then just wait for it to load. This may take a while, so make sure that you also have a good connection or internet connection for you to be able to download or save the module that you created. And now that you have the module created, what you can do is here. So once you have successfully saved the module, you will now be able to see these in the list of modules that you have here. You can also organize the modules depending on how you want these to be arranged. If you want the created module that you had to be the first one, you can just drag and drop it into the first part of the table. So once done, as you can see on the top portion, you can actually see the quiz as well from there. So that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.